Hello everyone, welcome back to MakeMoneyBlueprint.com podcast, and this is your favorite host, Lily. In this channel, we're focusing on bringing you the best business idea that'll generate more income into your bank account. So if you are new here, hit the like button for your favorite host, and hit the subscribe button if you don't want to miss any single one of these life-changing ideas. And while you were here on YouTube, might as well hit the bell notification for your YouTube to alert when we're posting new content. Don't think too much now, you'll end up benefiting more from these information we're about to share. So today, we'll take a look at how to make money while playing Fortnite. Within this vlog, I'll have a few ideas for you. Maybe you want to try it out the next time you're playing Fortnite. As mentioned, there are numerous ways Fortnite player can earn money by playing Fortnite, the Fortnite Battle Royale game. Some of the most common options available include streaming on popular platforms, placing bets on esports betting sites, and participating in Fortnite tournament with rewards from the prize pool. So without further ado, check out these different ways below to gain an understanding of how to make money playing Fortnite. Number one, I have for you, playing and streaming Fortnite matches. So perhaps the most prevalent approach many Fortnite players take to start earning money with the game is live streaming their gameplay. Many people find streaming Fortnite to be one of the easiest ways to apply it straight away because of how initiative many streaming platforms have become. Well, however, the road to success as a Fortnite streamer is very long. You can make money and earn a few dollars here and there, but it requires a lot of time and effort to really truly start bringing in the big bucks. The great thing about playing and streaming game is that you can start earning solid income once you have built up a fan base. In addition to, many streamers generate enough money so that they can use it to fund their own ventures. But to truly succeed in making money as a Fortnite streamer, you need to give your audience something they value. Therefore, your streaming channel needs to offer at least one or both of the following. Number one, which is in-game ability. Being a skilled player and having an excellent grasp of Fortnite knowledge and gameplay will make people want to watch your stream because they can learn something new. Number two, entertainment value. Streamer who possess a funny or energetic personality can be entertaining to watch when they stream. Now that you know what element you need to bring to become an excellent Fortnite streamer, which major gaming platform are worth investing your time and effort into? Twitch, Facebook, and YouTube are today's most popular streaming platforms. These allow popular streamers to generate income based on the number of subscriptions, paid ads, brand sponsorships, and fan donations they bring in. Ideas number two I have for you, which is placing bets on esports websites. If you aren't confident in your Fortnite skills, how about putting your game knowledge to the test? Another way you can generate money through Fortnite is by placing bets on its esports tournaments. Now, there are countless esports teams vying to earn cash and gain recognition by playing the title, though it's only natural for betting sites to pop up eventually. But what makes gambling on Fortnite online tournament a great way to earn money is that you don't have to be exceptional skillful at the mechanic of the game. Instead, you only need to have enough knowledge to know which team have the highest probability of success and bet on them. Another advantage of betting on Fortnite is that you have the potential to win real money. Not only betting is lucrative, but it can also be entertaining to watch how the matches unfold. The good news is that the popularity of Fortnite has brought about numerous online bookies that offer esports betting. You can even find esports betting sites that display the odds on certain Fortnite teams and tournaments for additional information. So ideas number three, taking part in Fortnite tournaments. Another well-known approach to making money playing Fortnite is to participate in its countless tournaments. There are many Fortnite tournaments that's available today, ranging from those taking place in your locals to international stage. In these esports tournaments, individual player or team compete for a chance to win a cash prize. July is usually the time of the year major Fortnite tournament take place, but many other happen all over around the years. Those who are highly skilled at playing Fortnite have the opportunity to become a professional gamers. They can earn recognition through the achievement they accomplish along the way, perhaps join a bigger Fortnite esports tournament later on. So keep in mind that just like any other online Fortnite game. Becoming a pro requires significant dedications, practice times, and motivations. Players who are truly determined to become skillful in Fortnite will have the highest chance of succeeding in the future as an esport gamer. But winning these tournaments isn't the only way professional Fortnite players can earn money. There are also brands willing to pay them through sponsorship in returning for advertising their products. To get started on your role as a professional Fortnite esport player, you should start establishing your skills early on. Take part of smaller contests to see how you rank. With the right talent, esport teams and organizations will begin taking notice and perhaps offer you the opportunity to compete for the big money. Ideas number 4. Making Fortnite YouTube videos and earn ads revenues. People also playing Fortnite by recording their gameplay. Uploading YouTube videos of their Fortnite matches allow players the opportunity to earn ad revenue so long as this video generates significant channel views. The great thing about making Fortnite videos for YouTube channel is that you can choose not to play the game and still earn money. Instead, you can create valuable content such as Fortnite guides, tutorial on in-game items, and even graphical complications. Content creation is a huge deal, especially with a popular game like Fortnite, where a lot of fans around the world enjoy watching videos that they find entertaining or insightful. But however, what makes YouTube an excellent platform for earning money is that video game ad revenue is sufficiently high. According to the YouTube Partner Program, you need an account on the platform at least 4,000 hours of valid watch time. In addition, this period should have taken place in the last 12 months. You also need to have at least 1,000 subscribers. Fulfilling at least these requirements mentioned above should allow you to start earning money by uploading Fortnite video on YouTube. Ideas number 5. Creating and selling Fortnite merchandise. Many Fortnite gamers and content creators sell their own merchandise to earn money. It's one of the primary sources of income if they aren't generating ad revenues or winning tournaments. Common methods of selling Fortnite merch includes uploading items on online platforms like Etsy's or Shopify's. We have video in this channel on about Etsy and Shopify. You can look back and check. Also, be on the lookout in the description. I'll leave a link on how you can generate $10,000 a month off of 4 main pillars of online business that most online billionaires have been using to generate millions. So make sure you look in the description for the link. Well, you can also sell Fortnite creative designs via print-on-demand channel, which is especially great for players with such talent. Popular Fortnite streamer, player, and esport team can bring a lot of eyes to the merchandise they sell. That's why developing a solid follower base should be a priority for those starting out if you plan to earn money by selling your merch. An advantage of selling online merchandise is that you have a few options available on your end. You can either upload and sell the merchandise that features your unique design or promote a brand of Fortnite clothing. Whichever path you choose, the ability to sell merchandise to your Fortnite follower is an excellent way to monetize the game. So above are 5 ideas for you to earn money through Fortnite. I hope our team somewhat left you better than before we found you. Again, this is your friend Billy. If you're new here, I would appreciate it if you hit the like button. And if we miss out any other idea, please leave it in the comment section so everybody could gain benefit from making money on playing Fortnite. I'm always looking for new ideas to make money. Thank you guys for staying to the end. Have a great day. So we are done with today's podcast, but this is not yet goodbye. I'll see you on the next one. If you like my voice or the info we gave, we have more ideas on the next video. Just click on it and keep listening. The more information you can gather in the quickest time will end up benefiting you. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't yet. Make sure to make it a habit to search for information and ideas. To stay motivated, I will put myself in a situation like this. Don't think too much. Just keep searching for info, keep listening, and you already win half the battle. Billy.